you guys excited? Hi guys, so we're going to Apple Island today. I'm with the swim team, my son and daughter swim team, and let's explore first the port. This is the Mulatupay port. Going to that island, guys. It's sobrang close. It's so close to Dumaguete. There, that island. The people on the island really needs help. Like before the pandemic hits, they all depend from tourism, and wala talaga, they have zero income. I want to also promote this place to you guys. To get to Mulatupay Port, it's just 45-minute drive from Dumaguete. You can ride a jeep or a bus to this area here. Sun is rising, guys. Beautiful.
45 kilos.
Yung boat nila dito medyo mahal siya. It's for that boat, for example, for 15 capacity, it's 7,000. I find medyo mahal siya. Find it really it's quite expensive. Kasi naman limited lang yung nakakapunta ng isla.
I think sa pag-segregate and then yun sa nila pag-recycle and all, I think inana. So we will learn kung unsa ilang ginahimo dito.
Stricto sila dito, kailangan kang naka-vest kasi hindi daw hindi ma-approve ng Coast Guard or something. Pag hindi ka, I mean if you don't wear this, this is a requirement here, so gotta wear this one. Dito, so medyo ano na tayo nag-move yung boat kasi yung current daw very ng current dito kesa pumunta ng Sikihor. Wow! Kasi malakas na talaga ang current dito. Almost to the island. It's a danger zone kasi mahulog na yung mga rocks, but it's so nice for photo shoot. That's the famous rock formation here. Muna tayo dito. Bulad na. Muna bulad diri call. Muna bulad diri. Og 6 to 10 ang generator. Then karon solar.
Wala solar na ramad daw.
Ba ang alam.
Hi.
What's
recitation?
Example of a healthy coral reef. Okay.
So it's an eel. So there's obviously coral somewhere in this area.
Kami yung isla. Iputiktahan ng unay. Dugay na 1980s ko na siya. Kaya ang nakanindot diri sa among isla kay community based ang pag-protect. Pawikan diri namo. Murag na-friendly na pud namo kay anang while ga kunit mga basura muduol ko gani sila mismo. Muna ang mga pawikan namo diri friendly kayo. Nang dili pud sila pwedeng kapon.
This is the snorkeling station, guys. 300 per... So 300 per head, and that already includes guide and equipment like vest. It's required and snorkeling gear, but if you want to be safe, easy road.
Sige.
Pailayan ninyo ang hawin sa atong environmental sa Apo Island is Kagawad Franklin Bahado. Ang kanin silang unom, walang kolektor sa basura dire.
Ang gihimo po namo sa mga kuan kining sa gitawag namo og MRF. Adiha po namo gi-stock ang among mga limpyong basura. Segregate na amo nang gibahig katong pwede nang ibaligya. Katong kapare sa nang botilya nga plastic. Katong lata. Katong botilya pwede mo nang mapakinabangan.
Kini siya mo ni siyang surrender na mo para sa mga dahon.
Wala ni inon ani. Pwede ra namo ilugo.
Okay, ngano ganito nga kinahanglan sang i-shred, ma'am?
So para mas madali siyang magamit. Kung dili siya gamit ang surrender, dugay man pud malata ang dahon, ma'am.
This is the materials recovery facility of Apple Island. This is the shredder. So you have to shred the leaves, and they call that the heap composting because with they said it's gonna take time for the leaves to decay, so it's better if they shred it and then add it in the soil for fertilizer. May mga room for rent? Pila, mga tagpila ang rate?
Depende sa kwarto, ma'am.
Kanang inana 500 na pa na. Inana. Ana pa inana.
Ana po, ma'am.
Muna as low as 500 ang rate.
Ana, ma'am.
Pwede din they have homestay. See? Homestay 500. As low as 500 yan, guys.
If we change it, you know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
fuck back.
So we're going to one of the swim moms house here in Darwin. Here in Mom Elvira's house.
Welcome to the kitchen.
May sumbalay, sige.
Here's the guest room.
Oh, this is the guest room. Start.
Another guest room.
Another guest room. Guest shower. This is the master's bedroom. Wow, very nice. First bedroom. And they have the Chiron. They have a bathtub, guys. Major bath. Wow. Oh, diba? Nice. Ayan, this is the kitchen. And dito si Madam na may bahay. Wow. Hello. Welcome to my house. My house. Yan.
Wow, vlog.
Pasigati sila. Yan. Yan. Look how organized. Ako Brian. Oh, see? We're making, guys.
Yes.
Backyard. This is an outdoor shower. Have a pool here.